When it comes to skincare, we buy products which are very expensive without knowing that you can make a very easy and simple carrot salad, which is loaded with lots of retinol, which is perfect for your skin. You'll need 2 large carrots. We have lime. You can also substitute with some lemon, coriander, onion, garlic, honey, sesame seeds, olive oil, black pepper, and salt. The recipe is super simple. Peel your carrots, remove the skin of your onions together with garlic. Then we're going to get straight into this recipe. So into your bowl, you're going to pick your carrots and a vegetable peeler, and then next you're going to ribbon your carrots. And this is how you do it. You just place the vegetable peeler on one end and you get those nice ribbons for your salad. Super easy. As you make the ribbons, make sure to move your carrot around so that you can get those nice thin pieces of carrot. I'm not going to be adding in the woody stem of the carrot, so I'm going to leave it out just like that. Then next, I'm going to pick my onion, and using a small paring knife, I'm going to thinly slice my onion. Add into my bowl. Pick my coriander. Thinly shred and add into the bowl as well. Using a hand grater, I'm going to grate 3 cloves of garlic. If you have large cloves of garlic, you can add in 2, and the garlic is going to add in tons of flavor to each bite when the salad is ready. Now that I'm done shredding up my garlic, I'm going to add into the bowl. Once done, I'm going to squeeze in some lime juice. You can also add in some lemon juice or white vinegar. At this point, as you have seen, we have very simple, fresh ingredients like carrots, onion, garlic, and coriander. So the next step is going to be adding in a very nice nutty flavor to the salad. So you're going to add in some sesame seeds, and that is 2 teaspoons. Add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Next, you're going to add in a tablespoon of honey, a pinch of black pepper, which is going to add in a very mild spicy kick to the salad. And lastly, you're going to season your salad with some salt. I'm using fine salt, so that is around 1/4 teaspoon. Then now I'm going to toss all the ingredients together until fully combined. Once fully combined, this is how your salad is going to be looking. This is how my carrot salad has turned out, and it's perfectly seasoned. It has a little bit of sweetness since we added in some honey. It's zesty since we added in some lime juice, which makes this salad very flavorful, delicious, and just worth trying. So I'm going to give my salad a try. And I love how we have carrot ribbons, which are just perfect for each bite. Wow. It's sweet. We have a very nice onion and garlic flavor. Also, the sesame seeds I've added in crunch. A very nice crunch. This is a gorgeous way to make some delicious carrot salad at the comfort of your home. And if you have not tried out the recipe, make sure to try out because it's absolutely delicious.